2 months ago, I started to mill this white oak wood down, cut it, and designed a table. But I didn't like the way it turned out, so I pivoted and decided to make an end table for Maryland. I built the form, poured resin, and started to work on my first epoxy resin end table. You can see that I made a couple of mistakes. It was a little hard peeling off the melamine, but I figured it out, was able to take all of the excess resin off, made my 45-degree cuts, inserted my dominoes, and had my glue up. I used 12 pipe clamps to hold everything in place. Spent a few hours sanding and finishing, and I think it turned out really nice. Here's what it looks like. That's the back of the end table. I used a blue epoxy resin. That's the back leg. You can see another section here. I made two 45-degree angle cuts on the top and the leg to create a waterfall effect.